Hi, welcome to Anvil Kitchen. My name is Tulio and today we will show you the versatility of the Anvil Rotisserie. This rotisserie is 5 kilowatts and required to be connected to two-phase. You see, it comes with baskets and not with spikes. So it is easier to put inside another kind of food and not only chickens for roasting. Another particularity that they have two fans that make work this rotisserie like a convection oven. Together with the carousel going around, the fans give a nice airflow inside the chamber, and the heat is more envolvent, it's more evenly. Today we're gonna make a chicken roll, a pork fillet, some roast veggies, and roasted chickens. To start with the chicken roll, first we need to debone the roll. We already deboned it. We season it and we had it in the fridge for 24 hours. Now, to start, we use cream cheese and we will sparse evenly on the surface of the chicken. It's going to give a nice texture, it's going to give a nice taste, and on top of that we will place the ham and the cheese. I particularly going to use for this roll cheddar. You can use emmental cheese or blue cheese, depends on your budget or your taste. And we're going to put some color with beetroot and green peas. You can use corns, you can use what kind of color, carrots, what you want. And at the end we're going to chop olives and we're going to place it on top. I choose green and black calamatas that they give different flavor, different taste of olives, and we're ready to roll. Next up, we're going to wrap the chicken. So for this nice chicken on the rotisserie, first what we're going to do is wrap it a little bit with olive oil. I use olive oil with the lemon flavor. I found it more appealing for the chicken. Rub it nicely all over. And after that, we have a wrap for the chicken. So we will wrap a little bit of spices. Oh, nice flavor of lemongrass. Something important, you rub a little bit in the inside of the chicken, give some more flavor from the inside to the outside. A little bit of salt, inside and outside, every single corner, underneath the legs, the skin, and voila! Here is our chicken ready to the rotisserie. Before we preheat the oven at 180 degrees, and we're going to place the chicken for 1.5 hours. Something very important is we need to balance the baskets. We're going to put the chickens in here. Exactly opposite the chicken basket, we're going to put the chicken roll. So we're going to make the carousel work, and we're going to place our roll, and voila, to work. We're going to put the timer on for 1.5 hours. Next up, our pork fillet, and for that we will require a sauce. For this sauce we will use 1 tablespoon of mustard, 4 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce. Now, first we place the fillet on the aluminum foil, and when it's separated, I cut it in three. So we're gonna thread this pork fillet, and it cook better. It get more taste from the sauce. It's lacquer. So we're gonna rub it nicely with our baste, nicely everywhere, both sides, inside and out. Same to the other side. Nicely rub with our baste. Must have lots of this thing, because when this is cooked, this is really tasty. Now we're gonna thread it. So at the end, we take a toothpick, we put them all together, and you don't cut it all, just we fold the toothpick. Something important, we prepare this pork fillet. It was 24 hours in the fridge, rolling in a foil, and I marinated with olive oil, lemon juice, coarse salt, and thyme. So now we're going to add, to finish, we're going to add some capers that we're going to try to push inside. Not too many, because they have a very strong flavor, and we don't want that it take over, but some here and there. Push them in, a little bit underneath, two on this side. So now we want to roll. We're going to close one side. We close in the other side, and we're going to cut the foil. So because we don't want that nothing escape from the inside, not even the fumes, so we're going to fold it nicely. We're going to seal it properly. Same this side. We seal it. Here must be nice and tight inside. And now that our pork fillet is ready, we're going to place it in the rotisserie for 50 minutes at a temperature of 180 degrees. Now we're going to put together all our veggies to roast it. So we will put a little bit of olive oil, some Worcester sauce, some garlic, some spices and salt, and we're going to place it in the rotisserie. Now we're going to make our German potatoes. First we're going to cut it. We're going to place it in the container with a base of cream with a little bit of milk and some garlic and salt. We're going to place it in the rotisserie. It's going to be inside for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. From a nice piece of equipment, 5 dishes, a full feast.